How to track your order on Shein application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be just showing you how you can easily track your order on Shein. So let's get started. So first thing first, just open up your Shein application, and once you're inside here, make sure you have successfully logged into your account. Now, what you need to do is just select this Me button from the bottom right corner and just head over to this My Orders View All button over here. As you can see, My Orders over here. Now simply select this View All button over here, and now simply tap on this All Orders, and here you should see all of your orders. So for now I haven't ordered anything yet, so it's not showing for me. And if you have any orders, you will be shown over here, so you can just tap on that particular order. And as you can see in this example, if you have any order, you can just tap on that particular order and you should be seeing this option that is track. So you can just tap on that option. So if that particular item is shipped, then you should be seeing this tracking number over here, and you can just use the tracking link provided below to verify your tracking, to simply track your order just like that on Shein. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.